2026 to 27 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome represents a bold and unmistakably American vision of what luxury travel on wheels should feel like, blending Cadillac's legendary elegance with the sheer scale and presence of a full-size motorhome. From the very first glance, this motorhome doesn't just look expensive or powerful, it looks prestigious. It feels like Cadillac decided not to simply enter the RV world, but to redefine it on its own terms. This is not a vehicle designed for occasional weekend camping. It's built for people who want to live, travel, and explore without ever stepping down from first-class comfort. The exterior design instantly sets it apart from traditional motorhomes that often look boxy or utilitarian. The Cadillac Platinum Motorhome carries strong automotive DNA, with sharp lines, sculpted body panels, and a confident stance that commands attention wherever it goes. The signature Cadillac front grille dominates the nose, finished in a premium chrome pattern with subtle platinum badging that quietly announces its status. Vertical LED lighting elements echo modern Cadillac sedans and SUVs, giving the motorhome a surprisingly sleek and futuristic face. Even with its massive size, the designers have managed to make it look refined rather than bulky, which is no small achievement in this segment. Moving along the sides, the smooth bodywork is complemented by flush-mounted storage compartments, integrated awnings, and large tinted windows that enhance both aesthetics and privacy. The Platinum trim adds exclusive paint options, including deep metallic blacks, pearl whites, and rich champagne tones that shimmer under sunlight. Large polished alloy wheels, designed specifically for heavy-duty luxury travel, sit confidently beneath subtly flared arches, reinforcing the idea that this motorhome is as much about style as it is about function. At the rear, sleek LED taillights and a clean sculpted design complete the look, avoiding the cluttered appearance common in many RVs. Step inside the 2026 to 27 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome, and the experience shifts from impressive to genuinely jaw-dropping. This interior feels less like a recreational vehicle, and more like a high-end luxury apartment on wheels. The moment you enter, you're greeted by premium materials everywhere. Soft touch surfaces, real wood trim, brushed metal accents, and carefully stitched leather that wouldn't feel out of place in a flagship Cadillac sedan. The color palette is elegant and calming, with warm tones and ambient lighting designed to make long journeys feel relaxing rather than tiring. The living area is spacious thanks to intelligently designed slide-out sections that expand the interior when parked. Plush seating arrangements include oversized leather sofas and captain's chairs that are both heated and ventilated. These seats aren't just comfortable. They're designed for extended use, whether you're watching a movie, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the view through the panoramic windows. A large flat-screen display is seamlessly integrated into the living space, paired with a premium surround sound system that turns the motorhome into a private cinema. The kitchen area continues the luxury theme with high-end appliances and thoughtful design. Solid surface countertops provide ample workspace, while custom cabinetry offers generous storage without feeling cramped. The refrigerator is full-size, the induction cooktop is powerful and efficient, and the built-in oven and microwave make it easy to prepare anything from quick snacks to full meals. Everything feels solid, well-built, and intuitive to use, reinforcing the idea that this motorhome is meant for real living, not just short trips. Dining in a Cadillac Platinum Motorhome is equally refined. A dedicated dining area features a beautifully finished table and comfortable seating, creating a space where meals feel like an event rather than a compromise. Large windows nearby allow natural light to flood in during the day, while soft ambient lighting sets the mood at night. It's the kind of environment that encourages long conversations, relaxed evenings, and memorable moments on the road. The bedroom area takes luxury to another level. The master suite features a full-size bed with a premium mattress designed specifically for long-term comfort. Surrounding the bed are elegant storage solutions, including wardrobes, drawers, and overhead compartments that provide plenty of space for clothing and personal items. Soft lighting, sound insulation, and high-quality materials create a peaceful atmosphere that makes it easy to forget you're inside a motorhome and all. There's even room for a second screen or entertainment setup, ensuring comfort doesn't stop when it's time to unwind. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a level of refinement rarely seen in RVs. A spacious walk-in shower, modern fixtures, and high-quality finishes give it a spa-like feel. The sink area is thoughtfully designed with ample counter space and storage, while the toilet area provides privacy and comfort. Everything feels solid and well-engineered, reinforcing Cadillac's commitment to premium quality in every detail. Up front, the driver's cockpit is where Cadillac's automotive expertise truly shines. This isn't a traditional RV driving position. It feels more like piloting a luxury SUV, just on a much grander scale. The dashboard is clean, modern, and technology-focused, featuring a large digital instrument cluster and expansive infotainment display. Controls are logically placed, easy to reach, and finished with premium materials that make even simple actions feel refined. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 to 27 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome experience. The infotainment system supports advanced navigation tailored specifically for large vehicles, helping drivers avoid low bridges, tight roads, and restricted routes. Smartphone integration, voice controls, and wireless connectivity ensure that staying connected on the road is effortless. Multiple cameras provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering far less intimidating despite its size. Safety is another area where Cadillac has invested heavily. The Platinum Motorhome comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to reduce driver fatigue and enhance confidence, especially on long journeys. The robust chassis and advanced stability systems ensure that the motorhome remains composed and predictable, even in challenging driving conditions. Under the hood, the Cadillac Platinum Motorhome is powered by a heavy-duty engine designed to deliver smooth, confident performance rather than outright speed. Whether it's a powerful V8 or an advanced turbocharged option, the focus is on torque, reliability, and effortless cruising. The engine works in harmony with a refined transmission that delivers seamless shifts, ensuring that acceleration feels controlled and composed even with a full load on board. Despite its size, the motorhome feels surprisingly stable on highways, making long-distance travel less stressful than expected. Ride comfort is a major strength of this motorhome, thanks to advanced suspension systems that absorb road imperfections with ease. Cadillac's experience with luxury ride tuning is evident here, as the vehicle glides over uneven surfaces while maintaining excellent control. Noise insulation is also top-notch, keeping road and wind noise to a minimum and allowing occupants to enjoy conversation, music, or silence without distraction. When it comes to practicality, the 2026 to 27 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome delivers in ways that matter. Generous storage compartments allow travelers to carry everything they need for extended trips, from outdoor equipment to extra supplies. Advanced climate control systems keep the interior comfortable in a wide range of weather conditions, while efficient power management systems ensure that modern conveniences are always available, whether connected to external power or operating independently. The Platinum branding isn't just a name, it's a statement. It represents Cadillac's highest level of craftsmanship, technology, and exclusivity. This motorhome is aimed at buyers who demand the very best and are willing to invest in a travel experience that doesn't involve compromise. It's for those who want to explore the open road while maintaining the same standards of comfort and prestige they enjoy at home. In a market crowded with functional but uninspiring RVs, the 2026 to 27 Cadillac Platinum Motorhome stands out as something truly special. It blends American luxury, bold design, advanced technology, and real-world usability into a single cohesive package. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement, a rolling symbol of freedom and refinement that turns every journey into an experience worth remembering. For those who believe that travel should be just as enjoyable as the destination, the Cadillac Platinum Motorhome delivers a compelling answer. It proves that luxury and adventure don't have to exist in separate worlds. Instead, they can come together on four massive wheels, carrying you comfortably and confidently toward wherever the road may lead.